The wheel bearing allows the wheel to rotate freely and smoothly. Different styles of bearings are used depending on the vehicle. The bearing shown is a hub assembly where the wheel hub, bearing, and ABS are combined into one. The wheel bearing is usually made up of 2 rows of ball or tapered roller bearings, surrounded by an inner and outer bearing race, the surfaces that the bearings roll on. The bearing is filled with grease and fitted with seals on both sides to keep the grease from leaking out. Bearings usually go bad when grease leaks out and contaminants are able to enter the bearing. Worn bearings may be noisy, with a whirring or growling noise that increases with speed. This noise can sometimes be louder or quieter when taking a corner, as the vehicle's weight is pushed down or lifted from the noisy bearing. Extremely worn bearings can cause damage to brake and other suspension components.